Hello, it is 6 p.m. It is time for dinner. Tonight, Anna and I are cooking together. We are making vegetable soup. We like simple food. Simple food is healthy. First, look at the ingredients. We have red tomatoes. We have orange carrots. They look fresh. Anna washes the vegetables. The water is cool and clear. Wash, wash, wash. We put the vegetables into a big pot. We add water. We add a little salt. We cook the soup on the stove. The stove is hot. Look at the steam. It is white and warm. The gentle steam goes up. Can you smell it? It smells delicious. It smells like herbs and onions. The soup is ready. I pour the soup into 2 white bowls. Be careful, it is very hot. We sit at the table. We eat slowly. The soup is warm and soft. We talk about our day. Healthy food makes a strong body. It makes us happy. Thank you for cooking with us. What is your favorite soup? Tell us in the comments. Goodbye. See you in the next video.